Can you answer these three questions for me? One, who are you? Two, what do you want? And three, how do you want to be remembered? Hello, I'm Dana Michelle Woods, and I am the author of Self Discovery 33 and the visionary creator behind the Be You, Do You, and Live You workshop. Did you know that over 70% of people hate their jobs? And the number one reason was due to a lack of appreciation. But can a job really give you self validation, happiness, and self worth? Well, the answer to that question, to be really honest, is no. I believe many people put more emphasis or expectations on companies and others than themselves. But now is the time for people to evaluate who they are by attending this upcoming workshop called Be You, Do You, Live You. I believe you will discover the most three powerful areas in self development, and they are self awareness, self growth, and self preservation. You have an opportunity to stay the same or an opportunity to elevate yourself to become the best version of yourself. So visit us at www.beyoudouyouliveyou.com for more information as well as to register. I hope to see you in one of our upcoming workshops. Have a good day.